Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nenye. For those of you visiting for the first time, a warm welcome to you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this opportunity and do so. And to my old subscribers, may God bless you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything you're doing. I really appreciate you guys. You're awesome. You're awesome. Thank you so much. In today's video, I'll be reviewing my blender, Nutri Auto IQ blender, and this is a requested video, so I will try and tell you everything you need to know about the blender. I will tell you that, and I will give you my honest review concerning the products. Let's get started. So guys, I bought the blender from Amazon for £199.99, and yeah, it's pricey, but it's worth it. I'm telling you the reality, it's worth it. It's very good. I think you will like it too. So let me show you the things that came along with the blender. Here is the motor base. As you can see here, all the options are here. Anything you want to blend, you just choose one of the buttons and then you blend it. It came with 2.1 liter jar. As you can see, it has easy hold hand. Yeah, it's very easy to hold. If you want to hold, it's very easy. And if you want to open the jar, you will see a button here. You press it in and it will open like this. And it's stocked with 6 blades inside. One thing I like about this one is that it contains a lot of things because it's 2.1 liter. When I want to cook fast, I'll just put everything I want to blend inside of it immediately and just blend it at once. It came with 1.8 liter food processor. I like this one. This one is very good for vegetable, and I always use this one to blend vegetables and everything for my child. If you want to open it, there's where the drawer key here. You just press the button in and then it will open, as you can see. And it has a very big blade, and anything you want to crush, this one can crush it very well. It also came with this 2-in-1 disc, but you can only use this one with this. You have to put this one inside of it, and then you put this. If you want to slice something like onions, you put it inside and then you cover it clockwise like this. You cover it good, and then you open this and put the onions through here. When you put the onions through here, you use this thing to press in like this, and it will slide very well. So guys, or if you want to create something, you remove this one and put this disc inside and create anything like carrots. You can use, or any other thing, any vegetable you want to create, you can use this one to create it. It's so lovely. It's very good. It's very good. It came with this medium cup. This is 650 ml. If you want to blend something like smoothie for 2 persons, you use this one. This one is very good. And then you put the blend inside. You set it inside and blend. After that, you share it for 2 persons. It's very good. It came with this small cup and it's 500 ml. I love this one so much because this one is for 1 person. If you want to blend something like smoothie or juice, anything you want to blend, you can use this one and do it. If you want to blend, you remove the cover and then you insert the blend inside, and then you blend. After that, you just remove it. Just gently remove it and cover it up again. You can take it to work, you can take it to market, you can take it to workouts, anywhere you want to go. You can take it because it's so portable. As you can see, it's just 500 ml. It's not that big. You can take it anywhere you want to go. It's very good. I love this one so much. I always use this one for my morning smoothies all the time. And it came with this manual. I can see how to set it up, and you can see the tips, and it has 25 recipe on it. You can, if you want to make anything like smoothie or anything and you don't have the recipe on mind, you can just go there, you check and you take one recipe and do whatsoever you want to do. So guys, these are the things that it came with. So the good thing about this blender is that it comes with a lot of appliances. As you can see here, I will not be needing blender or food processor anymore. Anything you want here is here. And if I want to cut something easier, so this one is a perfect deal. If you want to buy it, you can go for it. It's very, very good. The thing about this blender is that it's very easy to wash. You can, if you want to wash it, you just remove the blade and then you put everything into the dishwasher, or you can use your hand to wash it. It's very, very easy. Very, very easy. But guys, while using the blade, you have to be careful so that you will not hurt yourself, because it's very sharp. The problem you may have with this blender is that it takes a lot of space in your kitchen. That's the problem, because for me, after using it, I'll pack it back to the carton. So guys, there's something I noticed about this blender. Look at here, you will see something like rubber, and when you put it in any surface, it will magnet, and when you want to take it out, you press in the button and it will come out. Apart from it, it will not. Have you seen it? Guys, I'm trying to show you guys what they say that the blender can do. They say that it can blend frozen food very well. So I'll be blending frozen banana, frozen strawberry, spinach, and avocado here with milk. So let me show you. Let me see. I'll on it now. So guys, I'll be blending cucumber, apples, curry, avocado pear, and spinach together. Guys, I'm going to be putting this coconut water. If you're interested on this product, you can go for it. It's a very nice and high quality product. I like everything about this blender. So guys, if you have found this video helpful, like and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.